Welcome to Let's Cook Like Experts. In this episode, we are going to make pomfret fish fry. I have taken 1 kilogram of fish, clean it completely, make slits on both the sides like this, and don't forget to clean the gaps. Other ingredients are turmeric, cumin, chili powder, garlic cloves and 1 lemon. Grind them well by adding salt. The masala paste is ready now. Apply a thick layer on both sides of the fish. Put some masala inside this gap to get some really spicy fish after when it's done. The batch is ready. Cover it with a wrapper or lid and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Now heat oil in a pan and fry the fish by keeping the flame medium. Turn it to the other side and fry it. Pour some oil like this to really get it done in a short span of time. Now the fish pomfret fry is ready. Serve it with slices of onions and lemon. Don't forget to subscribe to Let's Cook Like Experts. Also share your pomfret fish recipes under the comments below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. I'll catch you next week with another interesting recipe.